Even the smallest drone can be a major threat to Russia's most modern T-90M tank, as seen here where a very tiny drone chases down the Russian T-90M tank and hits it at the best location, over the engine compartment where the armor is very weak. As the drone hits the tank, it starts smoking bad from the back section, leaving the tank to be able to keep going a bit further, but then getting stuck at the train track, where the tank operators abandon the tank. As the tank is left stationary, a secondary drone can target the tank, also being smart and hit the back section, leaving the tank to be completely destroyed, taking out another of Russia's most modern tank, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.